Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is what we will focus on today. Construction material prices for 2022. It is still early in 2022 and right across the length and breadth of the island, the construction industry continues to boom. It really belies the struggles that the vast majority of persons are experiencing, with the pandemic still creating chaos right across the world. And if that suffering is not enough, it seems as if each week a different company announces a price increase in their products and services. In recent weeks, the Jamaican Broilers Company has announced that the price of chicken will rise by up to 10%, and this is due to a surge in the price of corn. The Jamaica Flour Mills Management also has recently announced that the price of flour will be increased by 6% in early February. They claim that this is due to the global increases in wheat and grains and also an increase in freight charges in the last year. Now, this increase will subsequently lead to an upsurge in all baked products that utilize flour as the main ingredient. So, bread, biscuits, and any other item that utilizes flour will definitely see an increase. As was indicated in a previous video, this is definitely the year of price increases. We will have to ask ourselves, what next? My heart really goes out to those persons who reside in areas with unstable or no internet connectivity, and they are also not farmers, as they will have to endure the hiked bank fees when they try to carry out their transactions in branch or at an ATM. We are definitely living through rough times and only the fittest will survive. But let us try and just live one day at a time and enjoy it as much as we can so as not to suffer any mental breakdowns. On the other hand, the prices of building materials now are much better when compared to the last quarter of 2021. Those quoted in this video were obtained from a reasonable hardware in St. Andrew at the end of January 2022. Note that the prices may differ based on your region or location and other factors, so please be guided accordingly. Also, from time to time, hardware companies offer sale on specific items, so watch keenly for those days and try to capitalize on the reductions. The cost for 1 ton of half-inch steel is $164,450. 1 ton of 3/8-inch steel is for $166,750. It is $1,200 for a bag of cement. The 6 inches concrete blocks are sold for $95 per unit. I purchased these from a Chinese company. They are solidly built and the price has remained unchanged for more than a year. The cost for the wash sand is $4,500 per yard. Gravel is for $4,000 per yard. A sheet of 5/8-inch form ply is for $6,800. Lumber is sold by the length, and the cost for the 1x3x16 rough untreated is $1,340. The cost per length for the 2x4x10 is $1,957.14. The 2x4x12 is for $2,490 per length. The 2x4x16 is $3,300 per length. The cost for a roll of binding wire is $9,060. Nails are sold by the dozen or the pound. It is $230 per pound for the wire nails, and it does not matter the size. The concrete nails are sold for $330 per pound. The 3 inches drywall screw is sold for $60 per dozen. As you begin new construction projects or continue existing ones, I wish you all the very best.